A little bit of context for those of folks who are not as familiar with communities in schools. We have a model we call integrated student supports, and we believe it can inform your work and the efforts in the field. But what we do is we take a rigorous and evidence-based approach to wraparound services. Our model places a trained, caring adult inside schools to coordinate those wraparound supports. Now, think everything from food, clothing, mental health supports, tutoring, and transportation. These supports, in our opinion, are not extras or nice to haves, but they're essentials. They're what helps students be present, prepared, and connected. So let's get to the results. What they found in their analysis was clear. Students in high poverty schools with CIS were more likely to graduate, more likely to be employed, and by age 30, they were earning $1,500 more per year than their peers in similar schools without CIS. That's not just a bump in income, it's a meaningful shift if you span it over the lifetime of that student. And according to the study, over time, that kind of impact, if scaled nationwide, can help close the earning gap between students in high and low poverty schools by an estimated 20%. 20% because of the difference. Now, what was driving that difference? This is not just a story of communities and schools, but what the intervention and the data reveals is that you guessed it, it was an improvement in attendance that our work was driving. The simple but powerful act of showing up. What the Harvard study found was that even a half-day reduction in attendance, or said another way, 46 more days attended per year per 100 students, that is leading to higher test scores, increased graduation rates, and stronger long-term earnings for students in those schools that they compared. In fact, the reduction in absenteeism, to take an example, in CIS elementary schools accounted for 45% of the gains in math proficiency scores across those comparison schools. The simple translation is this. When kids attend school more, they perform better academically and have a greater chance at future similar to their more advantaged peers. And we can now see that with data over time because of the driving force of attendance. And when more students attend consistently, everyone benefits, even those who never miss a day. The classroom runs better, teachers can teach, students can learn together, the learning environment becomes more stable, more connected, and more effective. So, yes, attendance matters.